Hello, cherry viewers. Welcome back to Sandy Home Recipe. Mwaka about Sandy Home Recipe. Send the dika I will share my video. Remember to subscribe. Now share. Now when me notification bell no. Send me the video. Be a better one sabeka. Please just a plantain and egg frittata. Yes, that's it. Yes, obechi right plantain. We are now the esi in chain. Now I bought ukosuyano. Kosuyano ye su 4 eggs. What the salts aka ho. While mixing it together, we are not the sin chain. What the oil kakabegu saucepan is sijasum. A drop now the sausage what you try the aka no stir fry the kakra. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your support. May the good Lord bless you all. We are not the chop onion and also stir fry. What the bell pepper and soy the aka ho. Chop tomatoes. What the white pepper kakra den aka ho. Salt to taste. Now I stir fry the kakra. I am ready now. I train up go egg now was in channel. We are not kosher go prepare baking pie mo. Esan say baking. Please, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and also click the bell icon to get new video I will post. We are now the plantain no atoto sunina. Me mattress in the can I'll share my video. Remember to subscribe. Now I share. Now I like it. Now I have notification bell no. Send me the video be a better one sabeka. When the question oven no wa bake e bem pe na wa yi na wa serve me hear na me taste it tastes really nice. You will love it if you give it a try. Now this our plantain and egg frittata.